Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Fiat 500 and we will show you guys how to remove or how to replace front seat. Doesn't matter if you're doing front left or front right, the procedure is the same guys, so stay with us. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this 500 Fiat guys, more than 200 videos. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your little Fiat for free. All the tools and parts that are used in the video, you can find them listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Let's start on it now. So it doesn't matter if you're doing the front left or the front right seat, okay, the procedure practically will be the same. So what needs to be done now? Okay, let's explain. You need to screw the seat all the way to the back. First step guys, you need to disconnect your car battery. Okay, we have the video. If you don't know how to do that, disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before you do that, because you have most likely airbags in your seats and you don't want airbag light to come on, you don't want to damage the airbag system or deploy something. So always disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before the repair. If you've done that already, okay, we can proceed with the next step, which is to go ahead and remove the bolts now that hold the seat, okay, to the floor. So right there now, okay, we have 2 bolts. Okay, looks like they're with 16mm socket. Perfect. One out. It has red thread locker on the bolt. Check this thing out. Red thread locker. So you need to apply thread locker to yours. Now we're in the front left corner of the seat. Another bolt there. Perfect. Again. Check this bolt out, thread locker again. So later you need to apply some. Now I'm going to go through here so I can show you better. And you're going to screw the seat all the way to the front, and we have 2 more bolts. Okay, looks like that we need to remove. And this is with an Allen wrench. It looks like it's a 7mm maybe. Okay, let me check quick. 6mm Allen wrench. And we're going to remove, okay, that bolt right there. Perfect. Came out. Now we need to remove 1 more bolt this way. Okay, we got this one loose. Get it by hand. Okay, perfect. This is it. Now you need to lift the seat up on the rear. Grab it on the front and just okay. Now no. We need to come out of this way first, because there is a bolt that's holding it. Otherwise you're going to bend your rail. Yep, just like that. And now lift it up, and we need to come and disconnect all the wires on the front. Okay, now this is the wiring harness guys, okay, right here. Now this wiring harness, that gray thing needs to come back. This is the safety lock. Now push down once it's back, okay, and disconnect the seat wiring harness. Now go ahead guys, grab it and pull it out. Okay, just like that. So that's how you guys remove the seat. Doesn't matter if it's front left or front right. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe guys, and see you guys next time.